Hey guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have Huawei Nova 12 SA and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. In the first step, open application with support log screenshot. It can be settings, Google Chrome, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen, or we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press volume down and power key together at the same time. And there, scroll shot. Now it is scrolling and adding more information to our screenshot. Sorry, we must scroll. We do it again. And now it is scrolling and we must tap to stop it. When we tap, we stop scrolling and adding more information. To save it, we press this icon and we have it in our gallery right now. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.